In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a call in Zoho CRM. Before you place your first call, you need to make sure telephony is enabled in your Zoho CRM. Start by going to Setup, which is the gear icon. From there, open Channels and then select Telephony. This area is where Zoho CRM connects with your calling provider. So if you have not set this up yet, you will not see the call option inside your records. Inside Telephony, choose Zoho Voice and click Enable. If your organization already uses a different telephony provider, you can select that existing provider instead. The important part is that one provider is connected and active, because that is what powers the click-to-call feature and the call pop-up you will use during the conversation. Once telephony is enabled, head back to your CRM modules. Navigate to either the Leads module or the Contacts module depending on who you are calling. Leads are usually new prospects, while contacts are typically people that are already qualified or associated with an account, so pick the module that matches your workflow. Now open the specific person you want to call by clicking on the record name. This takes you into the record detail page, where you can see the phone number and other key information. Next to the phone number, look for the green phone icon. Click that icon to start the call. This is the fastest way to dial, and it also helps ensure the call is associated with the correct record in Zoho CRM. After you click the phone icon, a call pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. Use this pop-up to manage your call and talk as normal. Keep this window visible during the conversation, since it is also where you will capture notes while the details are fresh. When you are ready, enter your call notes directly in the pop-up, then click Save. Saving is important because it logs the outcome and preserves context for anyone else who may work that record later. Finally, when the conversation is finished, click End Call to hang up and close out the session properly. That covers everything you need to know.